In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a new device to start collecting data from it. There are two ways to add a new device, via the link at the bottom on the homepage in the Fleet Management section, or via the hamburger menu at the upper left corner of the screen. We will use this way. In the screen that opens, you can see which type of devices you can add. Here we see, for example, syslog, HTTP, UDP, TCP, and eStreamer. At the right upper corner, you can select which type of device you would like to see in the option list. Some of them are push-based, like syslog or TCP. Some of them are pull-based. With VirtualMetric's agentless data collection mechanism, we can collect data from, for example, a Windows virtual machine, without the need for a third-party data collection mechanism, like the Azure Monitoring Agent. For this tutorial, we will use the syslog device as an example. So when I click the syslog tile, the overview page opens. At the left side, you see all types of devices and how many of them are configured in the system. In the middle, you see a list of all syslog devices that are configured. The list can be filtered by directors or by status. By the way, the director is the running process, responsible for executing the pipeline processes. We will now add a new syslog device. We see 3 tabs at the top. We need to complete all of them before hitting the button Add Device at the bottom of the screen. Give it a name. Enter a description. You can assign the device to a specific director, and optionally you can assign a pre-processing pipeline. On the second tab, configure these settings. On the third tab, a variety of settings can be adjusted, like the maximum number of connections, maximum message size, and more. Last but not least, you can specify a forwarding address. Now we are good to go to add the device. Let's have a look if the newly added device is visible in the list of, in this case, syslog devices. Here you go, we can see the newly added device. That's it for now. I hope you got a clear overview of how to add a new device to VirtualMetric DataStream. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and have a great day.